Hello guys, welcome to PYNQ FPGA development with Python and VIVADO. We are from Digitronics, Nepal. So this course is focused on PYNQ development with Python programming language, as well as we will have some sessions on how to create custom overlay system with VIVADO. And here is our course overview. In course, we have section first of PYNQ architecture. In this section, we have Zinc 7000 architecture, that is PYNQ FPGA architecture, Python programming interface, Jupyter interface, and lab session of overview of PYNQ board and accessories. We will show you the PYNQ board and its accessories, needed accessories. Section 2 is development flow of PYNQ. In this section 2, we have downloading, installing PYNQ OS and setting up the board, and we will put the board by installing PYNQ OS, and we will also have a lecture session of Jupyter notebook and creating basic projects, and we have lab session, lab 2-1 of implementing and basic GPIO interfacing with PYNQ. We will do some LED interfacing and push button interfacing projects with Python interface in Jupyter. Section 3 is Python development flow. In this Python development flow, we will have Python programming basics, Python functions, libraries, and we will have a little bit deep understanding about OpenCV libraries, and we will also have a lab session using OpenCV libraries. Section 4 is implementing image processing algorithm on PYNQ. We will implement OpenCV CV2 library package in Python for image processing algorithm with PYNQ. Section 5 is neural network implementation. We will implement the machine learning algorithms and neural networks for different projects. We have CNN implementation for different image processing projects. Section 6 is VIVADO development flow with PYNQ. We have overlay design of VIVADO, and we have lab session of extracting Python functions and creating overlay for PYNQ with VIVADO design suite. So these are the main sections. In section 7, we have PYNQ hardware interfacing. We will interface some like sensors, sensor inputs, and some output devices. Section 8 is bonus lecture. In bonus lecture, we have advanced project and some links and references. After completing this course, you'll be able to learn about PYNQ FPGA architecture, development flow, Xilinx VIVADO based overlay design methods, Python programming, installing Python and OpenCV libraries, using machine learning libraries, and image processing with Python and PYNQ. So these are the main objectives after completing this course, and aside of it, you will also know about the hardware of Python and PYNQ, and how to implement and how to design different systems with PYNQ FPGA. So guys, sign up for the PYNQ FPGA development with Python and VIVADO, and meet you in the course. Thank you for watching.